Add media to your notes with Notability. Say you just found the perfect picture to add to your art history notes. Adding it in Notability is super simple. Just touch the plus icon and add photos from your library. Resize, move, and place the photo anywhere in your notes. Taking math notes? Add a grid sticky note to easily make the perfect graph every time. If you want to mix it up, consider adding shapes and GIFs to your notes. Search a term and add the GIF to your notes, all without leaving the app. Use the tab on the top to move the item around your notes. Move any handwritten text or drawings around with the scissor tool. Just circle them and move your notes around the page. And that's how to add media to your notes on Notability.